Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, protecting your family and property from Michigan's unpredictable weather. In Clinton Township, the mix of heavy snow, rain, wind, and seasonal temperature swings can take a toll on even the toughest roofing systems. Understanding common roofing problems and how to fix them can help you catch issues early, save money, and extend the life of your roof. Ice dams and snow damage the problem. Michigan winters often bring snow and freezing temperatures, leading to a buildup of ice dams along roof edges. When heat escapes from the attic, it melts the snow on the roof. The water then refreezes near the gutters, forming ice dams that block proper drainage. Over time, this can cause leaks, shingle damage, and even interior water stains. How to fix it? The best solution is prevention. Make sure your attic is well insulated and ventilated to keep heat from escaping. Clear snow from the roof edge using a roof rake after heavy storms. If ice dams have already formed, contact a roofing professional to safely remove the ice and assess any damage. Avoid shipping or melting ice yourself. This can easily harm the shingles. Leaky or damaged flashing the problem. Flashing is the thin metal material that seals joints around chimneys, skylights, and vents. Over time, exposure to harsh weather or improper installation can cause flashing to lift or crack. This is one of the most common causes of roof leaks in Clinton Township homes. How to fix it? Inspect flashing at least once a year, especially after strong storms. If you notice cracks, rust, or separation, reseal the area with roofing cement or replace the flashing entirely. For a long-term fix, hire a certified roofer to replace damaged sections and ensure the seals are watertight. Shingle damage from wind and hail the problem. Michigan's strong winds and occasional hailstorms can tear, curl, or loosen asphalt shingles. Missing shingles leave your roof exposed to moisture, leading to rot or mold growth underneath the surface. How to fix it? After a storm, visually inspect your roof from the ground. Look for lifted or missing shingles, granule loss, or dents. Replacing a few damaged shingles is usually straightforward, but widespread damage may require partial or full re-roofing. Always act quickly. Minor shingle issues can quickly turn into major leaks if ignored. Clogged gutters and poor drainage the problem. Leaves, twigs, and debris often clog gutters in the fall. When gutters are blocked, water overflows onto your siding and foundation, and can also back up under your shingles, causing rot and leaks. How to fix it? Clean your gutters twice a year, in spring and fall, to ensure smooth water flow. Consider installing gutter guards to reduce future debris buildup. If water isn't draining properly even after cleaning, check for sagging or improperly sloped gutters and make necessary adjustments. Roof ventilation issues the problem. Improper attic ventilation is a hidden issue that can lead to higher energy bills, mold growth, and premature roof aging. Without enough airflow, moisture and heat can build up, weakening the roof structure and damaging insulation. How to fix it? Have a professional inspect your attic ventilation system. Installing ridge vents, soffit vents, or attic fans can dramatically improve airflow. A well-ventilated attic helps regulate temperature, reduce moisture, and protect your roofing materials year-round. Aging roofs the problem. Even the best-maintained roofs have a lifespan. Most asphalt shingle roofs last about 20 to 25 years. As your roof ages, shingles become brittle, granules wash away, and leaks become more frequent. How to fix it? If your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan, it's time to plan for replacement. Modern roofing materials offer better durability, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. A local Clinton Township roofing expert can inspect your roof and recommend the best replacement options for your home and budget. Final thoughts: roofing problems in Clinton Township are common, but they don't have to be costly or stressful if addressed promptly. Regular inspections, seasonal maintenance, and timely repairs are the keys to protecting your investment. When in doubt, always consult a licensed roofing contractor who understands local weather patterns and building standards to keep your home safe, dry, and beautiful for years to come.